We're going, be.
Oh, we're going to buy bread.
Where?
In the store. The store we always buy like candy and stuff like that. Oh, hi.
It's early in the morning.
Huh?
Early in the morning.
Yeah. I just wake up.
Why so early?
I don't know.
Tingin ka sa
I
camera
set alarm.
Alarm?
Yeah. Look at my squishy toy.
Here, I see.
Squish, squish, squish,
Mm.
squish, squish.
Yes, sir. You open the gate. You can open the gate.
Yes.
Okay. Careful. Bili tayong tinapay.
Come on. It's a big cow.
Wow. You want to ride it? The big cow?
Maybe.
Ah, so big.
Yeah.
Ride to the big cow, be.
How?
Huh?
How?
At his back.
Is that good for the owners?
What?
Is that good for the owners, ba?
You asked if it's okay lang. Can I ride at the back of your cow? You asked?
Hindi ikaw. You're the one to do it.
You're the one to ask mo lang. If it's okay lang, if it's not, it's you asked. You're shy na naman. You ano na lang, hipo na lang the cow. You want to touch the cow. Takot yung cow sa'yo, be. Tara na, go na, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Basa?
Naulan.
Ulan?
Oh.
Walk ka na, way ah.
Okay. Oh, that's like little puppy. Oh, so cute. Look at my new wristband.
I see. Is that wristband? I see. Dito tayo bilhin tinapay. Saan ka pupunta? Si Madi.
Meron formula na.
What?
Meron formula na.
Merong?
Formula.
Pumilo? Sure. It's not pumilo, pineapple and ano yan? Orange.
What about the purple one?
Hmm?
What about the purple one?
Purple is grapes.
I like green.
Hmm. You ask. Bili ka na, bilis. Bili ka. You ask first before you're going to pay. What do you want to bili? You tell her then. There. What do you want to bili, bilis? You ask na din. What do you want to bili, bilis? You ask na ah. Wala na naman bibig si Madi. You ask. You ask na, what do you want to bili ba? Ha? Pumilo, di ba bread? Wow. Or you choose. Bago yan? Or wala ka ng palaman, be ah. Wala na kang palaman, wag na yan. Ubus na yung pinatbatay mo eh. Choose ka ng iba. Yung mga putok-putok. Ano pa? Tawsaw mo sa kape. Hurry up ah. Yung dalawang putok. Bigay mo siya ng dalawang putok. Donut para kanila kuya ate.
Donut?
Ayan o, this one not donut na dan. Yan o, yan. Basta pa. One more. Wala na? Ha? Ano?
Meron pa po sa bahay.
Yan. You want that? Oh, you pay for it. You have money, di ba? Di ba? Daddy give you money. Sige. Ito na lahat. Bigay mo na daw sa kanya lahat to. Oh, where's your money? Get mo na yung money mo. Sa kanya, bayaran niya yan. Saan yung wallet mo? What? Yung iba, you put in your alkansya, ha?
Wala ko pera. Pili sa school.
Oh, you left also for your school?
School?
Oo. You give the 50 pesos. Di ba may 50 pesos ka? Yun na ibigay mo para mabariyahan. How much your change? Sige nga. How much your change? Suklihan mo lang siya yan. Pera niya yan. Sige. How much your change? Madi? Kasi you're not learning your mathematics, man. That's why.
14.
Oh, you have, 36 pesos change. Sit na. Sabi mo, bread, tapos nauwi dyan. Mamaya yan, ha? Madi? What?
Begging.
Later yung ha? Yung kay si Missy, Yung the character of, what show is that you're always watching?
Garden Banban.
What?
Garden Banban.
Garden and Banban. Sige na, git na. Sige na. Tatay, doon, check natin. I-hold mo na yan, maiwan na yung candy mo. Tara. Sige. Hindi may sasakyan. Sige na.